I am basically writing a book from a video, YouTube video. So I'm using my custom GPT Grow, and I just put the URL of the YouTube video as per the request of AI. And then I copied the whole transcript right here, Control C, asked for the transcript. I'm gonna post. And now AI is writing the step-by-step summary of the video, which helps us understand what the video is about without going through the whole thing. Then the business model in 20 words, create and scale Pinterest content using data-driven decisions, leveraging SEO, AI tools, and affiliate links for monetization. Now, SOP acronym is PINS, PINS, Pinterest Income Nurturing Strategy. And this is the SOP 5 steps, or maybe it can be called PINSI, PINSI. Little dispute here, by the way, no problem. This is interesting lines for our audience. The video script written for me that I can use to make a video, and SWOT analysis, image prompts are not required. So I'm going to upload a copywriting template here, and then I will say, I am going to write a book using the above video information and the attached copywriting template. The book chapters will be designed in a way that the book will work as sales copy, suggest chapters of the book. Now AI is analyzing and suggesting chapters. Cool stuff. 10, 11, total 12 steps. Now let's give it a read, because there are 12 steps in the sales copy template. Chapter 1, Introduction to Pinterest Money Making. The problem of traditional Pinterest strategies. The solution, data-driven Pinterest success. Why trust this method? Unveiling the benefits of Pinterest system. Proof of success. Real-world examples. Your step-by-step Pinterest blueprint, which is PINS. Exclusive tools and resources. Make the most of the offer. Act now, time limited bonuses. Now we will come back to bonuses, but before that, let's go one by one. We'll ask to start chapter 1. Okay, this is cool. Opportunity is real. What you will learn: identify profitable niches and keywords, use advanced tools, create stunning high converting pins, scale your efforts, monetize using Pinterest Presents. The journey begins. Then I'll say, continue. Chapter 2, the problem with traditional Pinterest strategies. So here are the problems: lack of focus, inconsistent posting, ignoring SEO, failure to analyze data, over-reliance of manual effort, the pain of slow growth. Good. These problems lead to the most frustrating issue, slow growth. Agitating the problem. Okay, good. We're not gonna add this, by the way. Easy to feel like you are spinning the wheels. Okay, good. The real reason you are struggling, what's at stake. Good. I'll just say continue. The solution is data-driven Pinterest success. I think I got a great offer to promote by a great partner. So I'm going to request approval and leave it right here. This one seems high converting, high visitor value, went super well. Okay, I'm going to promote this. You might want to know why I chose this, because I personally know this is about Pinterest. Now let's break down data-driven decisions are essential for Pinterest success. Precise targeting, maximizing engagement, efficiency in content creation, scaling your efforts, pin clicks. We're going to remove this pin clicks thing and put our offer that we are promoting. Custom GPT models. We will create a custom GPT for this. Conduct keyword research, analyze trends. All good. We will try to find out a video that can provide the benefit and features of this software. Now, new era, this is good. Now, continue. The next thing is chapter 4. Why trust this method? This is good. Cool stuff. Yes, this is good. Amazing. Great. Okay, the book is complete, and I have just said continue, 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 and the book written everything. Awesome. Now, I asked to suggest 10 persuasive, interesting, engaging, curiosity-driven names for the book, and I got some names, but I want to involve AI, so I said involve AI and number of steps and the names and resuggest. So it gave me some names, and so I suggested what are the steps actually. I will get the steps. Now I completely copied the whole thing and got it into the book, in the document, and total 47 pages, 16,000 words written in just a couple of minutes. So these are the steps, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to 7 steps. Right, AI enhanced these steps from, not steps, cool stuff, introduction, and after that, why this book good, opportunity is real good, the journey begins good. Now, before starting, I would love to add the steps. Should be normal text and yep. So these are the steps. Okay, awesome. Now let's go and say something, find out something. Okay, so when I copied, ChatGPT also allowed me to copy this thing. You said and ChatGPT said. These things I need to find out and replace. I'm going to find out you said. 12 places, good, replace with nothing. I'm going to replace with nothing, replace all, done. Now there were places where I said continue, 9 places, okay, and they should be replace all. There are places where it was ChatGPT said that we need to replace all, with nothing, go. Then there were places where I said go. That's a little bit of maybe go match case. No, it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna go quickly check the go thing. Okay, so there are some goes right here. Okay, awesome. I think there should be 3 go maximum too, because 9 other places I said continue. Oops, there are more. My bad. I think it's all clear. Now we need to change one more thing, and that is called pinly or something like that. Pinly type of thing. There was a reference of something called pin clicks. This is something I want to completely replace. Pin click. Yep. It looks like this is it. I want to replace this with traffic wave generator. Interesting. Pin click we have 25. Very interesting again. I can see the pin click. Yep. But when I am trying to find out now, yeah, that should work. Or pin clicks maybe. Yeah. Traffic wave generator. Replace all. Now if we say, yeah, traffic wave generator, good. That's good. Okay, we can do one more thing. We can do traffic wave generator, and we want to add a code, replace all. This is good. Very, very good. Now we have added our affiliate link in the footer. Click here to get AI Pinterest traffic software from here. Looks very, very good. We can simply turn it into a PDF, and because it is 7 steps, so we can choose a copy the 7-step AI guide to Pinterest wealth, something like that. AI driven Pinterest profits is not 7 AI enhanced strategies, doesn't look good. The AI powered path, AI and Pinterest, 7 steps to turn pins into cash. We have to take this one, 7-step to AI guide, AI and Pinterest, from pins to paychecks. I think I will take this one. It will be 7 steps. That's it. Now I'm going to share, download as PDF. Now actually before I turn it into PDF, there is a couple of things that I need to work on, such as agitation. I mean, we should not write something like agitating the problem. We should not say that. The pain of slow growth, agitating the problem. We should say it's even more painful. Well, instead of even more painful, we can say many users fall into the trap of thinking that Pinterest success is out of their reach. The mindset trap, right? Okay, I am happy so far, so I'm just not going to wait. I'm just going to copy the whole thing and add a title to it, and AI Pinterest, 7 steps to turn Pinterest into cash using AI automation. That looks even better. Awesome. Love it. Let's go do this. Pinterest traffic software. I think this looks great. Or we can change this. Good. Looks great. Amazing. Love it. Thank you. Now I'm going to download it as PDF. This is how the book looks like. And this book has 48 pages. Super cool stuff. I am going to upload this right here so we can deliver this as a bonus. Yeah.